Hello there, you are welcome to Slick Learning. Today we are going to learn how to make how to partition drive. At the beginning, as you can see on the screen, we have only one drive. Means all the data that will be working on this computer will be saved in C drive as well, where Windows are also installed. If you will save data in the same drive, means by default there is one drive, you might lose data in case when you will reinstall the window. So it's a good idea. It's a best practice that you can make one separate drive so that there you can save all your data. So let's go how we can do this. So we will go to this PC icons, and here we will click on right click, and we will find the manage from the drop down menu. Here you can see it's manage. We'll click on it, then a dialog box will appear, and from here, as you can see, computer management, and from there we will navigate to a storage. After double clicking, we will find there's a disk management. Let's double click on disk management. After a few moments, a whole disk will appear. The partitions, what are the partitions are? So let's see here. We have only one partition, and these are the recovery for the Windows by default, and these two are only one partition we have. Now we have to make one more partition, means we are going to divide drive C in two partition, means drive C from the beginning it is, and one new partition we are going to make it. So let's do it. Right click on, and then we will choose shrink volume, and after a few moments we have to choose how much big volume, means how much big drive we are going to make it, and then we have to choose by default it is 243 GB is free, and the size we can shrink is 108,000, means 108 GB. So by default let it be there, we can shrink it. So you may change the size of the drive you want. Here just by default I have taken that the new drive will be around 108 GB, and you will click on shrink, and after clicking on shrinking, you will find a new drive will appear here after a few moments. Now by doing so, even if you have done this step, you will not find a new volume is here because we haven't assigned the new drive. Now again click on this new drive. Once it is selected, just click on it and select new simple volume. So simple volume we will select, and then we have to give the by default the size it will be as it is, and by default we can choose here any names, but by default let it be C is the first drive, choose its D, and keeps going. Click on the next, and you may give the volume name. Suppose we are giving the name of this volume is data, so let's give the name is data, and we will just click on it. If you must have to check that this must be perform a quick format, it must be clicked. If it is not clicked, then if you will open the drive, you have to perform the quick format or NTFS format, new technology file system format you have to do there. So let it be here, we have enabled it, and next we will click on finish, and now your new drive is ready. So after a few moments you will find your new drive that you have given the name data will appear. Let's go to the system file. Here you can see the new drive, that data you got. You might have found it's helpful. You may share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.